we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So, we're diving into the world of automatic espresso machines today. First up, the Philips 3200 series with LatteGo, specifically model EP3246/74, right? It's a renewed model, so we should keep that in mind.
Exactly. And going head-to-head with it is the De'Longhi Dinamica Plus Connected, model ECAM37095Ti. This one boasts smart features. Let's see which one truly delivers that perfect cup and is worth the investment.
All right, let's dive in. The Philips machine highlights the ability to make 5 different coffee types: espresso, coffee, cappuccino, and latte macchiato with a single touch. Sounds pretty straightforward for a quick caffeine fix.
The De'Longhi definitely ups the ante there. It offers 16 pre-programmed barista-style beverages, plus it connects to the CoffeeLink app. You can customize and save up to 3 user profiles with your own espresso recipes. That's serious personalization.
Okay, that app connectivity is a big plus for customization. The Philips uses their LatteGo system for milk frothing. They claim it's exceptionally easy to clean. Just 2 parts and 15 seconds under the tap. That's appealing for everyday use.
The De'Longhi counters with its Latte Crema system. The milk carafe is thermal, so you can store leftover milk in the fridge. Plus, the milk frother and the drip tray are dishwasher safe. I'd say cleaning is a tie here. Both sound incredibly convenient.
Philips emphasizes their ceramic grinders, adjustable in 12 steps. They're claiming durability for up to 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee.
De'Longhi also has an integrated conical burr grinder, but with 13 adjustable settings for even finer control. They make a point that it doesn't leave any residual coffee behind, ensuring maximum freshness for each brew. Freshness is key. A really cool feature on the De'Longhi is its Smart One Touch system. It learns your preferred drinks and displays them first. So if you always go for a cappuccino, it'll be right there waiting for you.
That is pretty smart. The Philips focuses on optimal flavor extraction with its aroma extract system, maintaining a water temperature between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius. And the Philips machine boasts the AquaClean filter, reducing the need for descaling for up to 5,000 cups. Descaling is the worst, so that's a huge time saver.
The De'Longhi has a unique over-ice function, perfect for those hot days when you want an iced latte without sacrificing flavor. Iced coffee lovers, take note. Interestingly, both machines have a customer rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars on Amazon, so users seem generally happy with both. The De'Longhi is significantly heavier, weighing in at 23.3 pounds. The Philips is listed as only 0.01 ounces, but that seems like a mistake, especially considering it's a renewed item, which might mean missing parts or accessories.
Ultimately, the choice boils down to your priorities. Do you prefer a simpler, super easy to clean machine with fewer bells and whistles, or a more customizable, app-connected experience with smart features? Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.